Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a fun-filled day and it's full of Dodge Challengers, so pretty exciting. We've got this black Challenger here. We just did a PCM lock. It's in for a tune. And then we've got John backing in this beautiful one. This one's getting, I don't know if you guys remember this car. We did the boiler exhaust on it, the axle back. He's back, he wants it a little bit louder, so we're gonna add some more boiler goodies to this one. So John's gonna back that one in, and then we got another one outside that we'll get in here in a second. I'll show you that we're doing a wicker bill and a front splitter. So let me help John get this thing on the rack, and we'll get back to the action. And this Challenger is our final victim for today. This Challenger, excuse me, I misspoke earlier. It's getting a wicker bill, and then those little carbon fins for the bottom end to make it look more like a sportier rear diffuser. That's what this car is getting. And then here's the boiler system that's going on in this car. So let's go ahead and get with it. So I want to take you guys through a little bit more of the step by step. So this wicker bill, you know, the back of the wing needs to be clean. And this car has the SRT logo on the wing, so we went ahead and took some fishing line and pulled the lettering off, and then put a little Goo-Gone on there, and then we're using the eraser wheel and we're getting this logo off. So you see what kind of looks like after you just take the letter off. Put some Goo-Gone on there just to kind of soften that up some more, and we'll take the eraser wheel to it and I'll show you what it looks like once we get it cleaned off. So as you can see, the badging's been all removed. I marked all of our holes for our wicker bill and got them drilled out. So now we'll get our nut certs put in, and then we can install the wicker bill. Now we have our nut certs in the wing. We can go ahead and start putting the wicker bill on, getting it all lined up and tightening it down for the last time. And just like that, we have a wicker bill all wrapped up. So guys, as you can see above me here, we have the new boiler system all installed. It looks very nice, very nice. We like the boiler stuff. So the one thing we do not have is the factory tips anymore, which were already removed when the Corsa system went on before the system. So what we're going to do is get with the customer. We're going to go ahead and bolt the adapters for the tips on. And I know some of you guys have seen the Cervini 5-inch tips for these cars, so I think we're going to go with one of those tips. But got to talk with the customer first. But as for now, the system's wrapped up. And just like that, guys, I made a phone call. It's nice to have friends in the industry. Somebody had me some factory tips in stock, so hooked us up with them. Now we got our customer taken care of, and we got some nice tips on this boiler attack setup. So we're gonna get everything loaded up in the car, get it off the rack, and get it outside, and get you guys a little startup video with some rev in action. So guys, John just got back from the test drive. We made sure that everything was good and there was no sounds or rattles or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and have him rev it up for us. Or he's gonna act like he didn't see me and just turn the car off. Oh, there we go. So that's gonna wrap this one up. So as you can see, we've got our diffuser fins on there, looking good. And our wicker bill. So that's a wrap on this one. Now all we gotta do is get this joker right here tuned up. I really don't know what to say about this one here. This car is impressing the crap out of me. Mind you, this car, to my knowledge, all it has is a cold air intake. So it's a 2017 Challenger Scat Pack. And I know because when I bought Baby way back in the day, my E-Blue right there that's been wrapped, there is such thing as factory freaks. Now, I've been in the industry for a very long time, and every once in a while I run into one of those factory freaks. I swear this car was built on a day when everybody gave a shit, because it's just that much better than the rest. It's crazy, but they do exist. This car here is definitely one of them. It baselined really well at 465, and all it has is an intake, and we tuned on it. Man, it picked up quite a bit. Sitting at 485 and 491 foot-pounds of torque. Everything looks great. Very, very impressed with how this car has turned out. But that's gonna be it. I'm gonna take this one out for a test drive, get it on back to the customer. 3 Challengers in, 3 Challengers out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.